Hello, good morning, students. Let us today continue the first lesson of history, the French Revolution. And as we have studied that French society was divided into estates, and the third estate alone had to pay taxes. And there was another institution called the church which extracted tax from the peasants, and this tax was called tithes. And all the members of the third estate also had to pay a direct tax to the state, country, देश को देना पड़ता था, and that tax was called taille. And along with this, a number of other indirect taxes that were levied on articles. Levied means imposed, जो लगाए जाते थे सामान पर, like salt and tobacco. The burden of financing activities of the state was borne by the third estate alone. borne था वहन करना, बर्दाश्त करना, और जो बोझ था देश की एक्टिविटीज़ को में पैसा देने का, उनको फाइनेंस करने का, वो सारा बोझ जो है थर्ड एस्टेट अकेली जो है उसको बॉर्न करती थी, वहन करती थी, वो खर्चा उठाती थी. एंड दैट्स वाई देर वॉज अ स्ट्रगल टू सर्वाइव फॉर द पीपल ऑफ द थर्ड एस्टेट, because the population of France in 1715 was 23 million and it rose to 28 million in 1789. And that's why there was shortage of food grains and production could not keep pace with demand. Demand of food grains was increased and production did not increase that much. That's why there was shortage of food grains. And workers who were employed in workshops, they used to get fixed wages by their owners, but their wages did not keep pace with rising prices. वस्तुओं की कीमतें बढ़ गई और उनकी जो तनख्वाह थी, जो मजदूरी थी, वो उतनी नहीं बढ़ी. That's why the workers were also facing the crisis of survival. वो भी जिंदा रहने के लिए संघर्ष कर रहे थे. And the gap between the rich and the poor increased. And things became even worse. स्थिति और भी बुरी हो जाती थी ड्यूरिंग ड्रॉट और हेल. सूखा पड़ जाता या ओलावृष्टि हो जाती जिसमें फसल डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाती थी. एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स लेड टू अ सबसिस्टेंस क्राइसिस. गुजारे का संकट पैदा हो गया. एंड दीज ड्रॉट्स एंड हेल्स अकर्ड फ्रीक्वेंटली ड्यूरिंग द ओल्ड रिजाइम. ओल्ड रिजाइम मीन्स France before the revolution of 1789. So this was the condition of French people before the French Revolution. And in the next lecture we will study about the imaginations of the about the France of middle class people. middle class के लोग फ्रांस को कैसा बनाना चाहते थे, वो क्या कल्पना करते थे, क्या उनकी सोच थी, वो हम पढ़ेंगे कल. और रिमेंबर, I also want to tell you one thing, that this is the world history that you are studying in 9th class, and all of you are not used to study world history. दूसरे देशों के बारे में आपको कम पता है. That's why you all need to go through the chapter very carefully. आप घर पे बैठ के चैप्टर पढ़ें और लेक्चर ध्यान से समझें. And if you find any problem in any of the content, you better call me anytime. Thank you and have a nice day.